Output devices. Output devices are devices that release information from a computer to the user. Examples include monitors and computer speakers. These devices are categorized into two types: soft copy and hard copy devices. Soft copy devices refers to devices that produce information that cannot be physically touched and exists digitally within the computer system. Devices like monitors and projectors produce this type of information. On the other hand, hard copy devices refers to devices that produce printed information that you can physically touch. Devices such as printers and plotters are examples of this. Some output devices and their function. Monitors display information on a screen for users. The images and text displayed are made up of tiny elements called pixels. The size of a monitor is measured in inches. There are two main types of monitors: cathode ray tube, CRT, and flat panel displays. Cathode ray tube, CRT, monitors use a beam of electrons to create images on the screen. These are commonly found in older computer screens and televisions. CRT monitors use an electron gun to refresh images continuously, a process measured in hertz, known as the refresh rate. For instance, a refresh rate of 72 Hz means the image is redrawn 72 times per second. Low refresh rates can lead to screen flickering, which may cause eye strain. Flat panel displays utilize thin glasses and liquid crystal display technology. These monitors are portable and less bulky, making them popular in modern workplaces. There are two types of flat panel displays: LCD and LED. Both use liquid crystals to create images, but they differ in backlighting technology. LCD monitors use fluorescent lights, while LED monitors use light-emitting diodes. LED monitors typically offer superior picture quality, though the quality can vary based on backlight configurations. Printers produce hard copies of documents and can be classified as impact or non-impact printers. Impact printers make direct physical contact with the paper to print. A common example is the dot matrix printer, which strikes an inked ribbon against paper to create characters. Braille printers are specialized impact printers used to convert digital text into tactile Braille characters for visually impaired individuals. These printers emboss raised dots on paper, making it readable by touch. Non-impact printers do not make physical contact with the paper. Some, like inkjet printers, spray ink, while others, like laser printers, use heat. Laser printers use a rotating mirror and laser beam to draw images on a drum, which is then transferred to paper through electrostatic charges and heat, fusing the toner onto the paper. Inkjet printers are widely used for high-quality color or black and white documents. They work by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper, producing sharp and detailed prints. Thermal printers are commonly used for printing receipts and labels. They work by applying heat to special heat-sensitive paper, creating the desired text or image. Wax printers are used in specialized applications like label printing. They use wax-based ink to create vibrant, smudge-resistant prints. 3D printers build physical objects layer by layer from digital designs, using materials like plastic, metal, or resin. These printers are used across industries for creating prototypes, custom parts, and complex shapes. Plotters are output devices used to create high-quality graphics or images, often in multiple colors. They work with pens, electrostatic charges, or toner to draw images on various media. Projectors display the information from a computer screen onto a large surface, allowing a broader audience to view the content. Many projectors offer the same resolution and color quality as high-end monitors. Speakers and headphones are output devices that convert electrical signals into sound, allowing users to hear audio from their computers. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.